Alright, in this section I'm going to debone the chicken. Alright. Now, if this grosses you out, I mean, don't necessarily save that, but if that grosses you out, you may want to just skip to the next video. But all I'm going to do is just pull this thing apart and just start pulling. See, I had frozen these earlier, so they're going to be a little tough to get off right now. But you just want to pull the bones off, save them in a separate container. Alright, so I'm going to save these bones here. Right? I'm going to pull some of the meat off the legs, maybe throw the leg in there as part of the bone. I'm going to leave the skin in with this bone brew that I'm going to do. So the skin and the bones go in one container, and just the meat goes in another container, right? So get rid of, oh, there's a bone. Let's get rid of that. All right. So I'm just trying to save the meat for my stew. I'm going to put it in a container. It's going to be this one right here. So all my meat's going in here, all my skin, bones are going in there. Alright, this one is still half frozen, so I'm just going to do a brief video on this. I'll finish that out later, but you see what I'm doing. Now, if you just want to make boneless chicken breasts and just saute them, maybe with some olive oil, or if you want to bake them, you could use chicken thighs, the most underrated portion of the chicken. All different kinds of options that you can do. This is the one I chose today. So I'm going to wash my hands off and then turn off the camera. And of course, folks, keep washing your hands. I'm going to use soap in a minute, but just to get the camera off, here we go. I don't want to grease it up.